Okay, so I recently shared on my Instagram that I got this new machine that I'm super excited about, which is the Cricut Explore 3. And I told you guys that I would come over on YouTube and do a full review for you. And here it is. But before we get into it, hi you guys, welcome back. I'm just here in my office, if you guys didn't know that. But you know, I redid my office, y'all. I did. And this wood is like contact paper. I shared all those videos. You guys can check those out. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Angel. I share so many things, home, lifestyle, and mom life. So if that interests you, I'd love to have you part of my family. Go ahead and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. I so appreciate that, you guys. With further ado, let's jump right into my new Cricut Explore 3. Okay, so first off, the Cricuts, if you haven't heard of them, they're like the ultimate cutting machine. I mean, they can cut so many materials such as vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, and so much more. Now, you may be wondering, okay, so what's so new about the new generation machines? Oh my God. Okay, let's start with first. This Explore 3 cuts so much faster. It cuts up to 2 times faster, saving you so much time. Plus, this guy works with 6 tools that can help you write, draw, score, and embellish. And here's the coolest thing of all of this for me. There are certain materials that you can cut without a mat. Yes, without a mat. They have smart materials, which makes creating so much easier. You just load and go. And you don't have to worry if you have old tools. This guy still works with old tools and mats, so you don't have to necessarily go out and buy new materials if you have a lot on hand. But no, that is an option. It comes with the blade already loaded. This design is amazing. It's no dowel. With it coming with no dowel, you choose your materials right in design space. The buttons are much more clear, more storage compartments. You can also rest a device on the lid like your tablet or your phone, which is cool because the last Explorer did not. It also has material guides at the front of the machine. So right out the box, it came with a sheet of iron-on, also some black temporary vinyl, some transfer tape, and some sticker cardstock. And this is all the smart materials, so you get to test out their new smart materials, and you can get going right out the box. So I'm going to show you the setup. This process is super easy. The instructions are on screen, and you literally just follow the instructions. They hold your hand. It's step by step, and it's super clear. So this is exactly how you set the machine up, because this is exactly what I did. And we're also going to go ahead and print the first sample, and I'm going to show you how it came out.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together.
Every time the button highlights, you just press the load, unload button to get the materials in and out. Another cool fact about this machine is that it has built-in sensors, which make sure that you have enough material length for your cut. Because if you don't, it'll let you know that there's not enough space, and design space will tell you. So that's really great. So you don't have to worry about, you know, not having enough vinyl for whatever you want to cut. And then you press the play button to actually print. This guy cuts pretty quiet, which I am so happy about, because my room that I usually keep my Cricut in is right next to the nursery. So I am glad that it is pretty quiet. So these smart materials come in vinyl, iron-on, and sticker paper. Again, you do not need a mat. You can just literally load them right into the machine, which is awesome and pretty easy to use. And the removable vinyl actually can be removed later without residue, so I love using removable vinyl, but no mats are needed, and I love it. It's my favorite thing about the new machines. And so with sticker paper, the sticker paper is great for labels and cards because you can just literally stick it right on whatever you want it to go on. The new machine also has this new accessory, which is a roll holder. It hooks right onto the front of the machine. You can put a roll of vinyl in the holder under the slot guide, press load, and it's easy to cut, and it has a built-in trimmer, which is really cool.
But you're taking them down, it's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
Also, keep in mind that the sheets for this machine are larger. This one, you can use the 13-inch sheets, plus there's a new 13-inch trimmer too. If you want to get the bigger ones, you can definitely do that. Overall, I am really impressed with this machine. I really do like it. I'm super excited to try it out. I got lots of videos coming, you guys. I'm going to be doing some organizing this month. You guys know I love to organize, and I'm going to show you some things that you can do with this to incorporate in your organizing style. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you guys have done any Cricut projects, drop me a comment and let me know what you've done. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll probably enjoy the other videos that are shown on screen. So make sure to go over and check those out as well.